Hey everyone, Dayton here with Rodriguez Cleaning Services, and I have a question for you. When was the last time you cooked something at home that when you get done 30 minutes later you still have that lingering odor that you wish you can get rid of and it takes forever to just go away? Or if you're having an open house, if you're a real estate agent and then you're just about to open the doors and the house smells bad and you don't know what to do quick to fix that situation, well, I have the solution for you, and it's very simple. You gotta have Fabuloso. I'm not promoting the brand. This is what I have used at home, and it's very simple. Every cleaner that you get out there, it comes with a masking agent. What's a masking agent? A masking agent is a chemical term that they use in our industry in the cleaning. Basically, it's a molecule that is part of the cleaner that it bonds to the bad odors, and then it changes the molecule form, and then it changed the odor basically. But how do you get rid of that odor quick? It's very simple. You take 1 part of Fabuloso and you mix it with 4 parts of water, and then you boil the product. Basically, you're just evaporating the product. You just cooking the water with the cleaner. And what are you doing here is very simple. You're just doing the third principle of odor decontamination. You're just recreating the penetration of contamination. When you're cooking, all that vapor, it just goes away. It goes through the heating system and it gets throughout the house. By boiling the cleaner that it comes with a masking agent, you're just putting out there in the air a good odor, a good masking that it will bond to the bad odors. And then in 2-3 minutes, when you just boil the water, if you can also turn the fan on your thermostat, that way this vapor will circulate throughout the house, you will be able to go ahead and take care of that bad odor, and then your house will smell just clean, and that's the goal. I hope this video about taking care of the odor at home is helpful to you, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment on the video. One more thing, when you're boiling the product, make sure you don't leave the stove or whatever you're using to boil this unattended, because it can get on fire, and we don't want to create an issue if we don't watch what we're doing. Just mix it with water, 1 to 4, 1 part of the product with 4 parts of water. Boil it, give it a few minutes just for the vapor to go throughout the house, and you will feel and smell a clean house, and it will smell great. If you have any questions, please leave your comment on this video. Thank you.